peeps. As you can see, I'm on my bicycle. Hope everybody alright. Yes, so car have some problem. So heading to school on my bicycle. How much on you can ride though? Come on, let me wrap this around my arm. We can't wrap it around my arm, but yeah. Come along, come along on my journey. Come along on my journey. Come along on my journey. So right now, you're right, but you have to ride head on. You have to ride to the incoming traffic. Because we don't trust people. I don't trust these people. So you can't trust them here. Because some of them will literally hit you off for the bicycle. So I ride head on instead of on the opposite side of the road. So that's how I ride my bicycle. I don't trust any of these cars coming behind me or anything like that. You understand? So that's the reason why I'm doing that. But yeah, that'll take a little while for my thing there. I have to switch sides now. Take a little while from race school. It's about 1.8 miles. I'm say that a 10 minutes on a bicycle. Trust me, it'll take longer. Because I'm a fat pig. Look for me. You see my belly? I'm big and fat. So yeah, it'll take longer. at school now. Haven't reached my building yet, but standing under this tree, watching that squirrel eat some liquor stuff. But yeah, all sweat up. No, anything like that. But that's a struggle. That's how the struggle is. When you decide to ride a bicycle, and then, your bicycle decide to fail you. You guys like the little fountain? There's the fountain of love, where you cross the bridge to my heart. Fountain of love, ooh, where you cross the bridge to my heart, where the love flows. It has no end, and nowhere else to go. The fountain of my heart. Yeah! Don't clap me, man. Don't clap me. You're a big singer. A big singer. Don't clap me. Hey! Okay. There's my building. See it there? That's where I'm headed. What do you think about that?
Sure.
I want to add man 2 vlogs. What do you want?
She almost said short vlog.
Bad.
Hey, what's up? Like, my vlogs are not
They're
that
cool,
long.
but they're not.
They're not long. People like
Best night trips now?
people. The vlogs them